everyone. So today we're discussing the power of water. Now, during pregnancy as well as beyond, water, as simple as it sounds, is actually super beneficial for both mother as well as baby. Now, for baby, water actually helps form as well as maintain the amniotic fluid, which cushions, protects, as well as supports your baby. And it also helps support fetal circulation as well as oxygen delivery, and is literally essential for your baby's growth and development. Now, for mama, it actually helps with swelling reduction. So if you've heard of some mothers, complain about their legs swelling or their feet swelling, literally water will take care of this. So the more you drink, the better you'll feel. In addition, it prevents constipation, helps prevent urinary tract infections, combats fatigue, reduces risk of preterm labor, and helps maintain a healthy blood volume. Now, 8 to 12 cups is typically recommended. I personally was recommended 4 liters, which I literally drank every single day and still continue to drink. During that time, I substituted water and just removed coffee, soft drinks, anything, even juice, and just kept it really, really simple. But ultimately, the choice is yours. Now, apart from drinking water, the quality of the water you drink is also essential to you as well as your baby's well-being. Now, tap water, for example, can contain lead from literally old pipes and plumbing, bacteria, chemicals like herbicides and pesticides and pharmaceuticals and disinfection products and forever chemicals, not including microplastics. Now, I will be following up with a video taking a literal deeper dive into different filtration systems. You can even install in your home. Those are also great, when you're bathing, just because obviously not only what you drink, but what you put on your skin goes into your body. As great examples, until I make that video, check out the Walkerton water crisis in Ontario, Canada, if you haven't heard about it, or the Flint, Michigan water crisis in the US as literal real-life examples of what can go wrong with tap water. I'm not saying that every city has this issue, but it's something to consider for your health.